Kickflip into the wall.
Andrew's just gonna grab a water from the grocery store.
Andrew's just gonna grab water from the grocery store real quick, and I'm actually probably gonna do the same, so. Nice seeing you.
This is pretty much the worst video ever made.
Peanuts. If I was gonna give you a bridge, I would give you an egg. But that's the problem. Talking about doing things perfect. You can tell me what it's really about. Frankie. Come on, go. Better.
I'm full.